Hello and welcome to our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how you can calculate the IC50 value using different types of resources. First, I am going to demonstrate you one of the two online IC50 calculator. One is IC50.tk. This is a website that provides you the facilities to calculate your IC50 value. To calculate the IC50, you have to put the values in this box. The box, this value contains X and Y values. X is the concentration and Y is the percentage of inhibition values. Now, I have made a calculation of the concentration. This is the concentration values and this is the percentage of inhibition values. Actually, this is the mean values of 3% of inhibition values. These are the three values of percentage of inhibition, and this is the mean of the 3% of inhibition. I have taken the mean of the 3% of inhibition, and this is the concentration. So you have to copy these two values, the concentration and the percentage of inhibition. That basically I have taken the mean of the percentage of inhibition. Just select the data, copy the data, and paste this data into this box. Put a comma. I'm putting this comma to separate this data from X and Y. Tick. Now click on submit. After submitting, you will find the percentage of inhibition, and you see that the IC50 value is 4.44314 plus minus 0.190%. This is the percentage of inhibition 50 IC50 value. That in this way you can calculate the IC50 value. Okay, in this calculator you have to put just two values, one for the x-axis and another for the y-axis. Basically, x-axis is the concentration and y-axis is the percentage of inhibition. Remember, this value contains percentage of inhibition, no absorbance values. Now I'm going to use another calculator. This is the calculator that provides by the AAT BioQuest, and you can calculate your percentage of inhibition by putting your data in this box. Here you have to choose the data. I am choosing the concentration and the 3% of inhibition that has been previously calculated. This is the percentage of inhibition. This is another percentage of inhibition. So this test was conducted 3 times, and these are the percentage of inhibition obtained in 3 consecutive tests, and these are the concentrations. I am choosing all this data and going to put this data into this box. So now click on process data, and you can see the concentration has been taken in the x-axis and the percentage of inhibition has been taken in the y-axis. Now you hit the calculate button and it will calculate the IC50 value for you. And this is the IC50 value, 4.4437. This is the IC50 value, and this is quite similar with the IC50 value that was obtained in our previous calculation, that was 4.44314. And in this case, 4.4437. So these are quite similar. Now I am going to demonstrate you another way by which you can calculate the percent inhibition 50, that means IC50 value. This is the software. This is the GraphpadPrisom software. You have to open, I am going to open a new project. You have to choose the enter or import data into new table, choose the numbers and choose the enter 3. If you have 3 rows of percentage of inhibition, you can choose 3. If you have only 1 rows, you can choose 1 or 2, whatever you want. I am going to choose 3 because I have 3% of inhibition data. That means I have done the percentage of inhibition 3 times for each concentration. Now click on create. This will provide you this dialog box, and this is for one extract. For example, this is for crude methanol catechin. This is for catechin. This is for crude methanol extract. This is for ethyl acetate fraction, and so on. You can calculate multiple data in this table. So I'm going to put the concentration in this value. You can put the concentration in the increasing order or in the decreasing order. I'm going to put the concentration in the increasing order. So this is the concentration, increasing order, concentrations of extracts in the increasing order. Put these values. Now the percentage of inhibition for catechin. This is the percentage of inhibition for catechin. Three percentage of inhibition values for 3 consecutive tests for each concentration. I'm going to put these values in here. Now click on analyze. Choose the XY analysis and choose the nonlinear regression curve fit. Hit the OK button. Choose the dose response inhibition. Choose the inhibitor versus response variable slope 4 parameters. Click on OK. And this is your percentage of inhibition 50. That means IC50. This is the IC50 value 4.444, and this is quite similar with the data obtained by the AAT Bio, and this is also similar with the data that was obtained from the IC50.TK 4.44. And the interesting part is that you can carry on multiple tasks within the same plot. That means if you want to input more data, click on the data. I'm going to choose the data for CME, crude methanol extract, the percentage of inhibition of crude methanol extract. Now I'm going to put this here. I'm also going to choose the data for ethyl acetate fraction. This is ethyl acetate fraction data. Copy this data, put this data into the EF section. I'm going to, and now click on the results. And this is going to calculate all the IC50 values for you. You see the percentage of inhibition for CME is 4.185, EF 4.253,